Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is a Cavassier with some of that Black Girl Wines champagne. Okay, so I felt like having a drink today, so I'm having a drink today. And of all the drinks I have, I'm probably having the strongest drink in the world right now. So pause this video if you need to. Go ahead and grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. For today's Naked Sunday video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 places to do the deed. Yes, we are talking about sex in some of my favorite places. And I think one of them I've never done. 2. 1. 2. I want to say 1. The one that I'm thinking I haven't done, I think I did it like hey, back in the day. Oh yeah. So yeah, 5 best places to do the deed. And the reason why one of them is on there that I haven't done is because I heard it and it's on my list of places to do it. Okay, so judge yourself. All right, the first place is the bathroom. Y'all know I love a good bathroom time. Now, the thing with the bathroom is that you have so many options. You have the sink, you have the toilet, you have the shower. You could be bent over, you could be sneaking, you could be getting a quickie in, it could be a whole session. Okay, maybe not a whole session, but I feel like the bathroom is just like, you have so many options to do so many different positions. You can't necessarily lay down unless your floor is pretty clean. If you just clean, even then I probably wouldn't lay down on the floor. But you have so many options, so many positions, I feel like. And then the bathroom is perfect, again, for quickies. You're out on a date at a restaurant and you want to get one in. Yes, go get it. The family bathroom. Now that they have family bathrooms, both of you go in there, lock it. That sounds very wicked, but do it. The next favorite place, or the next best place to have sex, is a hotel room. Listen to me. Listen, Linda. Hotel sex, top tier. Okay? I don't know what it is, but when you're in there, you feel like you can do anything. You come in on the ceiling, you come in on the lampshades, you come in on the curtain, you're out on the people them balcony giving head. Like, you don't care. Okay, I don't know what it is. There's a whole meme about hotel sex. I don't know what it is about hotel rooms and doing it there, but sis, that's my second best place. It's in no particular order, but that's up there. Top 5 for sure. Hotel room. Next is the kitchen. The kitchen. I know that's where you cook, that's where you eat. But imagine you're in the kitchen, mind your own business. He walks in and is bend you over. That is hot. Okay? That is nice. Hello? No? I don't know. I really don't know. Sure. Yeah. I don't know what it is. Yeah. The tenders or the nuggets actually. Big. This is the piece. Dark. Okay, what was I saying? Kitchen. Yes, you're minding your business. You're preparing a hot meal for you and bae, or putting something in the microwave, or getting a green juice, or a coconut water, or a sparkling water, or something. You know, whatever it is. You just finished a session, you just finished a round, and you're there minding your own business, and then boom, here comes dick. Like, that's fun. That's fun. top tier, 5 out of 5 would recommend. Next place is a closet. Hear me out. Picture it. You're at your parents' house. You're on it like goats. You shouldn't be doing it, but you can't help it. So you go into the closet, you knock one out. That is hot. That is hot. That is hot. Okay? The closet, bro, I can't. It's nice and tight and confined, and there's only so many places where you can go, except body in a wall. You feel me? Like, yeah, it just works. It just works. It just works. Yes. And the last, this drink is so strong. I'm gonna put that cup down, okay? The last place is going to be on a plane. This is the one that I have not done. This is the one that is on my bucket list. And you would think, because for last year I was on a plane a couple of times, but I was solo. So but yeah, I feel like that, I don't know how you'd make that happen. I feel like you'd have to like go to the restroom, lock it, and then text your person, but you can't text your person. Actually, you tell them to wait, or after you get up, tell them to count to 60, and then they follow behind you. Go in, do it. What position would you be in though? Because those little bathrooms are tight. Is it tight in first class? I've never been to side of a first class restroom before. If it's tight in first class, let me know. If you've been in a first class bathroom, let me know if there's more space than us common folks, and we can go from there. But yeah, I'm not a part of the Mile High Club, unfortunately. We gotta fix that, Lori. Gotta fix that. But yeah, those are my top 5 places. We had the, where did I say first? The bathroom. We have the bathroom. See what this alcohol does to me? That's why I'm cussing it out. We have the bathroom. We have the hotel room, top tier. Okay? We have the kitchen. We have the closet. Fire. And then an airplane, which is on my bucket list, but I feel like that would be lit too. It's the places, the confined places, or places where you're not supposed to be doing it, the places that you could get caught. You know what's really nice? The rooftop. Because no one can see you, and I feel like I've done a video on that before. On the rooftop. I'm seeing things that this, hear me out. On a rooftop, you can get it in. Get in where you fit in. And those are my top 5. In the comment section, list your top 5 or add to my top 5 if my top 5 is in your top 5, and we go from there. Alright, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your peoples. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.